Hi guys, I just wanted to come on today and just let you know I haven't forgot about you, and we've been real busy with our new house we just purchased. As you can see, we've been cleaning windows. We also have some wall repair that we need to do, mainly in the living room area. The TV bracket will come down and get painted. So we've been doing some cleaning and dusting and cleaning up the windows. I've just left the screens out of the windows. I just love the view, and I'm just not ready to put those screens back in. But here I am cleaning up the windows here on the front porch, and my husband was helping with some of the windows, those that I have a little bit hard time getting to. We have a guy that's coming next week to take out these mirrors off the wall and going to repair the wall. I think they're glued on there somehow, so we do have to move the light fixture. I think every light bulb in this house just flickers, so I'm not sure what kind of bulb those are, but those are going to need changed out. And this is the second bedroom of 3, and been cleaning the windows and need to clean the ceiling fan. We're not going to paint this room right away. We're going to leave it and just sort of work on the room later on, because there's so much for us to do. We can't do it all at one time before we move in. This is just a view out of the bedroom window. I just love the country scene, the farm in the background there. Did order all of my blinds, the plantation blinds in white. They should be in probably one day next week. And then this is the third bedroom. I've already cleaned the windows, and those blinds will be replaced. And of course, all of the carpeting will come up. And that's the hallway to the other bedroom. And there on the right is a linen closet door, and then a second bathroom. Going back out to the great room is what I call it. Not sure that we're going to get that painted before we move in, but we're going to try. So we had a fellow come out and do some of the work that needed to be done. We had some drywall tape that had came loose, so he did that, and he's going to come back next week and do those mirrors. To the back door, and going to go out on the deck and just going to show you a view of what we look at when we're sitting on our porch. The windows are already done here, and we'll need to clean that ceiling fan. As we go back into the house, just the door on the right leads to the master bedroom, and I've got those windows clean. And we're getting ready to take up the carpet. To lay the hardwood floors throughout, we have found out that we could save ourselves almost $5,000 by taking up the flooring ourselves and getting rid of that. So we decided to go that route. But this is the master bath right off of the master bedroom. And then there's a master closet, and that carpet will come out of that closet. And hardwood floors. We are leaving the tile in the bathrooms. This is a small linen closet in the master bath. And I've also ordered my shower curtain hooks and liner for my shower. I haven't found a rug for the bathroom yet. These racks in the master closet will stay, and we just sort of took the bottom part apart and going to take some string and tie them up so that they can get to the flooring. And then this is the door leading out of the master and the master bath. Master bedroom back out into the great room. And then the next door on the right leads into the laundry room. And then that leads into the mudroom that goes to the garage. So we're not sure if we're going to get this room painted. We're hoping to get it painted before we move in. This is the mudroom, and that little closet will be more like a coat closet. This is my husband Larry. He's taken the rack off. He's doing a little bit of sanding and spackled all those holes in, and he'll give it a coat of paint. I decided to go ahead and set up my kitchen, so I vacuumed out all the cabinets and then wiped them out. And here I think we brought down about 12 to 15 boxes, and I'm filling up the cabinets. This won't get in the way of them taking care of the flooring, so I can go ahead and set that up. They will need to move the stove and the refrigerator to get the flooring under that, but went ahead and got that done. Here Mr. Fix-It is cleaning the ceiling fans, getting them dusted and dusting up the lights on the fixture there. I also took time to clean up the microwave and the stove. The stove is self-cleaning, but not sure whether we're going to get some new ones yet. Just undecided, but I wanted to go ahead and get them cleaned up. So here Mr. Fix-It is helping clean one of two of the racks that go in the oven. And here is the wall that was painted. The bracket was down. Looks like it needs just one more light coat over that. And I'm undecided about the drapes yet, so all of the vent covers are being replaced throughout the whole house. And here Mr. Fix-It is cutting and rolling up the carpet in the master bedroom. All of that will be removed, even the tack strips, and getting ready for the floor guys to lay the floor throughout the whole house except for the bathrooms and the laundry room. This is the wall that needed the repair. And the guy did a really nice job. It's not quite dry, but he went a little above and beyond what he needed to do, but it's looking really good, really smooth, and I just think he did a wonderful job. He's coming back next week to take out those wall mirrors in each bathroom for us. And so he's pretty reasonable, and we're going to use him in the future if we need any more drywall repair. So here Mr. Fix-It is taking up all of the little staples after removing the carpet and the padding. Lots more to come. Thanks for watching, everyone.